Washtenaho. I am Grandfather Eagle Soaring Overhead. This video that was shot with the Eagle Eyes drone of my grandson. This is of a beautiful river and the water that flows. I would ask you that as you observe this particular video, that you think about the water that flows through your body. This water can soften the rock by continually rubbing against it. The water inside you has a great power. It is the power to heal, the power to keep you hydrated. You are more water than you ever realize. And when you nourish that water with healthy water, when you allow yourself to flow with the river, when you allow yourself to be blessed by water. See here how it falls over the top of the rocks and becomes oxygenated, what people call rapids. This energy is so good for the body because your body needs both the oxygen and the water. So as you work with this image, let it come into your body and let it heal and work with the very most basic fiber of your being, your water and your air. These are things you must have to survive, and as you're looking at this video, keep focusing on how the water is becoming very oxygenated, how it's churning white, and that energy is so good for the inside of you. Let yourself work with this energy. Let yourself be at one with this energy. It is important to understand with all these beautiful videos that he's taking with his drone. It's important to understand each one of them is offering you a time in nature that perhaps you don't have the luxury of doing. Perhaps you don't have a few minutes to sit in a stream and let the water rush over your feet, or put your hands into the cool. Perhaps you don't have any place close by where you know the water is clean and clear and crisp like this, and you can't just go and be with it. But in these videos, and hopefully in my words as a former shaman, you will understand that just from observing nature, even in this peaceful way, it gives you a chance to be more a part of nature. So when you cannot get out for any reason, you can always observe in this way. And when you think about the energy of the wood and the stone, when you think about how everything is blessed by the water, how those trees would not exist without that water, how these rocks would not have been shaped this way had it not been for the water. This is an important time to be a part of nature, to be at one with the changes that are happening. And if you allow yourself, even if you can't get out, to just sit and observe something like this, you can allow your spirit to be at one with it, and your spirit to experience the beauty of this water and this flow, and the beauty of the oxygenation of the water and the oxygenation of your body. Taking in some good, strong, deep breaths. Breathe in the splash and allow yourself to be at one with the river, the rapids, and all the energy within. You are one. And in being one, you are as beautiful as this flow is. Danaho.